Does Medicare Part B cover visits to hospital emergency rooms? In recent news, many people are asking an important question. Does Medicare Part B cover visits to hospital emergency rooms? As healthcare costs continue to rise, understanding your coverage is more vital than ever. If you or a loved one relies on Medicare, you may be wondering how emergency room visits fit into your plan. Medicare Part B does indeed cover visits to hospital emergency rooms when the services are medically necessary. This part of Medicare focuses on outpatient services, which includes emergency room visits, diagnostic tests, and doctor services provided in the emergency department. When you visit an emergency room, Medicare Part B typically covers 80% of the Medicare-approved amount for emergency services. However, you will first need to pay the Part B deductible. After that, you are responsible for the remaining 20% coinsurance. Additionally, Medicare Part B covers emergency ground ambulance services if other transportation could put your health at risk. This coverage is applicable when you need to be transported to a hospital emergency room or another medical facility. In certain situations, air ambulance services may also be covered if ground transportation is unsuitable due to urgency or location. It is also essential to note that Medicare Part A covers inpatient hospital stays. So, if your emergency room visit results in being admitted to the hospital, Part A will take care of your inpatient care. For the emergency room visit itself and outpatient services, Medicare Part B is the part that provides coverage. If you have a Medicare Advantage plan, also known as Part C, emergency room visits are typically covered. These plans often offer benefits similar to original Medicare, but it is wise to check your specific plan details for any differences. In summary, Medicare Part B does cover emergency room visits as part of its outpatient service coverage, including ambulance transportation when medically necessary. Understanding your coverage can help you navigate your healthcare needs effectively.